How to fix POL errors. Reverse polarity. Solar. If your solar controller encounters errors, it will display a code to indicate what the issue is. A common example is turning on your controller and hearing a loud beep. You see the screen reads POL. This is due to your solar connections being reversed, and the controller is indicating a reverse polarity error. Thankfully, this can easily be remedied by changing the placement of your solar wires. Red to positive, black to negative. Reverse polarity. Batteries. This same example can happen with your batteries as well. If you connect to your battery and your screen reads POL along with a battery icon and loud beep, your battery connections are reversed. Again, the controller is indicating a reverse polarity error. This too can be remedied by changing the placement of your battery wires. Red to positive, black to negative.